Hello adventurers, welcome back to our channel where we uncover the best vacation spots around the globe. Our mission is to ignite your wanderlust, offering you a window into the world's most stunning locations. Today we're journeying to the sun-drenched shores of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. From thrilling alligator encounters to awe-inspiring aquatic adventures, we've got a thrilling lineup of activities for you. Pack your bags as we take you on a virtual tour of Myrtle Beach, revealing our top 5 must-visit spots. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Alligator Adventure, one of the largest reptile zoos in the world. Located in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, this is not just an alligator park. It's a wildlife sanctuary, brimming with a variety of exotic animals from around the world. Here, you'll be able to see a diverse array of reptiles, from fearsome alligators to colorful chameleons. But the excitement doesn't stop at reptiles. You'll also encounter other fascinating creatures like exotic birds, lemurs, and even hyenas. One of the highlights of Alligator Adventure is the exciting daily live shows. These shows are a perfect blend of education and entertainment, where trained professionals interact with the animals in front of a live audience. It's a thrilling spectacle that you won't want to miss. If you're an animal lover or seeking an adrenaline rush, Alligator Adventure is a must-visit. It's a place where you can get up close and personal with nature, all while having a thrilling adventure. Moving on to number 4, we have Broadway at the Beach, a shopping center that's more than just shops and restaurants. Here, shopping isn't simply a task, it's an experience. The center boasts a unique mix of nationally recognized retailers, specialty shops, and boutiques. From fashion to gifts, there's a store that caters to every taste and budget. But don't think Broadway at the Beach is just for the shopaholics. It's a dining paradise, offering a smorgasbord of food options that cater to every palate. Whether you're craving for seafood, Italian, or just a good old American burger, you'll find it here. There are also numerous bars and cafes for those looking to unwind with a drink. And let's not forget about the entertainment. The center is home to Wonderworks, an amusement park for the mind with over 100 interactive exhibits for all ages. There's also the Pavilion Park, a classic amusement park filled with nostalgic rides and modern thrills. In the evenings, Broadway at the Beach transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub with its clubs, bars, and live entertainment. The center also hosts a variety of seasonal events and festivals, adding to its allure as a year-round destination. Whether you're a shopaholic, a foodie, or just looking for some fun, Broadway at the Beach has something for everyone. It's the perfect place to indulge, explore, and make memories. Coming in at number 3, we have Ripley's Aquarium, an underwater world of wonder. This is not just an aquarium, but a marine sanctuary where you can explore the mysteries of the deep ocean and come face to face with some of its most fascinating inhabitants. First, there's the Dangerous Reef, a tank teeming with sharks, stingrays, and a host of other exotic sea creatures. Ready for a thrill? Glide along a moving pathway that takes you right through the heart of this vibrant aquatic ecosystem. Next, make a stop at Ray Bay, where you have the chance to touch and interact with stingrays, a truly unforgettable experience. And don't forget to visit the Discovery Center, a hands-on exhibit where you can learn about marine life and even hold some of the creatures. Dive into the deep at Ripley's Aquarium, a perfect destination for families and marine life enthusiasts. The ocean's wonders are waiting for you. Don't miss the chance to explore them. At number 2, we have the Hollywood Wax Museum, where you can rub shoulders with the stars. This fascinating attraction offers the chance to meet all your favorite celebrities, albeit in wax form. The museum is divided into several sections, each dedicated to a different genre of stardom. From classic Hollywood icons to contemporary pop stars, everyone has their place in this star-studded lineup. Imagine standing next to the likes of Marilyn Monroe, Elvis Presley, or even the Marvel superheroes. The lifelike wax figures provide endless photo opportunities, allowing you to create your very own red carpet moment. And don't forget to explore the horror section, if you dare, where legendary movie monsters await. Moreover, the museum's attention to detail extends beyond the figures themselves, with authentic movie props and costumes adding an extra layer of realism. It's a chance to step into the glitz and glamour of Hollywood without leaving Myrtle Beach. For a taste of Hollywood glamour in South Carolina, don't miss the Hollywood Wax Museum. And finally, at number 1, we have the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk and Promenade, the heart of this vacation paradise. This boardwalk, stretching over a mile along the ocean front, is the epicenter of all things fun and lively. Nestled within this bustling hub is the Grand Skywheel, a towering marvel offering a bird's-eye view of the whole beachfront. As you stroll along this lively promenade, you'll find a myriad of quaint shops, each brimming with unique souvenirs that perfectly encapsulate the spirit of Myrtle Beach. The Boardwalk is also a foodie's haven, with an array of restaurants serving mouth-watering delicacies, from fresh seafood to classic American fare. And of course, let's not forget the stunning beach views, the golden sand and the azure blue ocean that stretch out as far as the eye can see. Offering a mix of fun, food, and fantastic views, the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk is our top must-visit spot. And there you have it, our top 5 must-visit spots in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. From the adrenaline rush at Alligator Adventure, the shopping spree at Broadway at the beach, the underwater marvels at Ripley's Aquarium, the celebrity sightings at Hollywood Wax Museum, and the picturesque views at the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk and Promenade, there's something for everyone. Myrtle Beach is more than just a beach, it's a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Each corner of this vibrant city offers a unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and entertainment. It's the perfect getaway, whether you're a thrill seeker, a shopaholic, a nature lover, or a history buff. Every vacation in Myrtle Beach is a story waiting to be told, an experience waiting to be lived. So why wait? It's time to start planning your trip and make some unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Check the description box for more information about today's spots. Happy travels!